let's talk about these three strategies real quickly and just briefly go over those. So somebody comes to us, maybe they do put some money in annuity, they put some money with Charles Schwab, they do have some options. They don't have to just put it all at growth, and they don't have to be totally conservative. So what are our three strategies we manage?
Sure, so we've got conservative, moderate, and growth. And each is really just managed on different lengths of time and different investment goals. So your conservative strategy is typically going to be for a shorter period of time. A lot of folks are taking money from that, maybe the next few months or the next year. That moderate may be for someone with a little bit more risk tolerance, who maybe is holding it for a little bit of a longer period. And then growth is going to be for someone who does want to try and grow at all costs, so to speak. So.
And I noticed the exposure. Go through these, Derek. So talk about that and what we're doing there with a lot of ETFs. This is what you manage and rebalance that. That's what we call a rebalance, right? The allocations.
Right. So what we do with a rebalance is just try to keep the allocations in line with this model. And in our conservative strategy, about 12% of the strategy is made up of equities or stocks. The rest is either CDs, short-term fixed income, things that are a little bit more stable. So it does have a low degree of stock market exposure.
And then that's a moderate, yeah.
Next, we've got the moderate strategy. 45% of this strategy is in the market. The balance, again, is in just short-term CDs or short-term fixed income instruments. And that's important, too. You talk about the duration of fixed income. This conservative and this moderate strategy, we try not to let the duration of the bonds get too long, because as we've seen in 2022, if interest rates go up and you've got long-term bonds, they can really go down quickly.
Yeah, what were you saying in 2022, the bond index, how much has it gone down this year?
Yeah, so just ticker symbol AGG, it's the aggregate bond index. It kind of takes your U.S. Treasuries, your corporate bonds, any kind of fixed income instruments. That is down 14.5% year to date in 2022, as of today.
Wow, that's something else. And then finally, we have although probably somebody on Wall Street would say 40 to 70% in the market, that's not real growth oriented, but describe why we have to be a little more careful with our saver clients.
Well, here's something funny. That risk score, 54 on the growth, you think, okay, that's the highest of the three. The risk score of the S&P 500 is 72.
Wow.
So even our most aggressive strategy is less risky than the stock market as a whole, because we are working with savers, and we really can't take too much risk in the market.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed that video. If you'd like, check out these other clips, and be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button for more videos.